Hi there, students. A scepter. A scepter. Okay, a scepter is an ornamental stick or a staff held by a monarch, and it's a symbol of power. Let's see, the scepter is a decorated stick and it's carried by a king or a queen at some official ceremonies. It's the symbol of their power, the symbol of their authority. Nowadays it's probably only about that long, and the king or the queen carries a scepter and an orb, a sphere with a cross on top, in the other hand. Okay, and this is a scepter. It's the royal wand. Now, this scepter has been around for many years. Let's see, in ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, the ruler, the king, had a scepter. Normally, in the past, scepters were longer. It was a staff. And this was a symbol of power. I have a feeling that this wand or this staff or this stick is the origin of the magician's wand. The magician has a wand that makes magic happen, Harry Potter's wand, and I think that's where the idea of a staff comes from. You will find statues of Jupiter, for example, and Jupiter is holding the orb in one hand, the sphere in one hand, and the scepter in the other. Okay, so there are various references to a scepter or the scepter in the Bible. Yeah, the book of Genesis refers to the scepter of Judah. Okay, but a scepter. Shakespeare referred to Britain as this precious stone set in the silver sea, this sceptred isle. Now, this comes from the play Richard II by Shakespeare, and this is spoken by John of Gaunt as he's dying. And so what does it mean, this precious stone set in the silver sea, this sceptred isle? Okay, this is talking about Britain, this is talking about England. So England is like a jewel in the sea, and this is the precious stone set in the sea. And then this sceptred isle, it's the scepter is normally this ball with jewels on top. The end is a ball, and this is referring again to Britain being a diamond or a ruby in the sea, so it's a precious stone. Also, this is referring to being ruled by a king as well. Okay, so a scepter, a stick, yeah, that is that is carried by kings in order to or a rod, and it's a symbol of their power. Okay, scepter, a scepter. Notice British spelling RE at the end, American spelling ER, but that's a very common difference. Okay, so a scepter, an ornamented staff carried by rulers on ceremonial occasions, and it's a symbol of their power. Okay, so let's see, formality, scepter. It is what it is. I'm probably going to give it a 6 in formality though. And as to origin, okay, it comes through French from Latin, sceptrum, from ancient Greek, skeptron, a stick or a staff or a baton, something to lean on. Okay, so a scepter, but it can be quite long. It can be as tall as the king, as in a complete rod. But in the past, nowadays it's much shorter. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye. Bye for now. Scepter.